She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl. She's my type of girl in my kind of world.
What's up, guys? Silent Boy Afrik I here again. Okay, guys, so right now me and my lady here, we're going to the Somerset Falls. Yeah, going there for the first, this is our first time actually. Hey, baby.
Hey, we're here.
For real.
Cool. Now you gotta turn the car on, like fully on. Alright, oh my god. Yeah, I'll do it. He forgot.
That's it?
Yeah. Yeah, he got it.
Kill switch.
Yeah, kill switch. Alright?
Alright, yeah.
Tyrone's driving. He's got to reverse it so long as he doesn't hit the banana tree. It'd be sweet. I'm trying to instruct him a little bit. Alright.
Let's play it out like that. How was it?
How was it?
It was pretty good. How was my parking?
Bad.
Oh man, for real.
For real. It was bad.
Seems like they're having a party there. Lots of fun stuff going on, so let's go see what it's like.
Let's go.
Yeah. It's a vibe, it's a vibe.
When we go to the bar, we'll show you what drinks they got.
Yeah.
Maybe cocktails, I don't know.
True, true. Yes, Rasta.
Okay.
Let's go now.
Let's go now.
Yeah, yeah. We on a roll now.
On a roll. Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, that's the chair there. Okay,
Okay,
cool.
right,
Thank
thanks.
you.
I love this place. These places are nice. Wow, look at those mullets. Big. It looks really nice. Yeah, man, some big ones.
Not that big though.
Yeah, they don't grow much bigger than this.
Oh really?
Yeah.
And do you eat them?
Some people do. I don't think they eat them here. This must be like a spring right here. Yeah, it must be a spring. Yeah.
Hi. We're just walking through this I don't know, little walkway here. I love this kind of stuff. Climb up. Hey babe.
Hey baby. Beautiful. Warning. No climbing. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this.
They handmade that.
Yeah.
I'm going to the water.
Eh?
I'm going to take a picture.
We're going to the water, yes.
Yeah, we'll get ready.
That one, yeah. Now we can wait still.
Alright. Line up, change up and get ready.
Yeah,
What do you say?
so change off and get ready. After these people though. Yeah, man.
Go over to your left, if you mama. To your left. Come to your left.
Yeah, we are going to put up them here.
So we have to balance it, just like life food, no? One minute. Yeah, better. 10 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, you feel it? Yeah, it's a bit cold. Yeah. This is what I found as well. Yeah, really nice.
Don't get wet.
Yeah. Jump in?
We're going to jump in very because it only goes a certain amount.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Okay, jump in.
Cool. The water's cold. Huh? Okay.
Ready?
You want to take me on?
Ready?
We jumping together.
Two.
Yeah. How do you feel? How was it, babe?
Oh, it was great. Absolutely loved it.
I really love it.
It was so pretty.
Yeah. The water was a bit cold, but it was really enjoyable.
It was cold, but enjoyable.
Yeah, I
it
love
nice.
it. Really nice.
Now we're going down this hill.
Yeah. Not really fancy to go in the pool when there is river.
Maybe we should sit at the bar here.
Yeah?
Do they have a bar here?
Yeah, there's a bar.
How much you sell the bottle? For the bottle? Yeah. No, okay, alright.
Syrup with Red Bull.
Hi guys, so we're drinking now.
Yes, Rasta.
Campari and juice. It's a cocktail sort of drink, and they didn't really know like what cocktail was, so I kind of introduced it to her. She might sell it. I don't know.
First time trying all of this, guys. First time for me.
Yeah,
so
he doesn't drink, but we're by ourselves, you know.
I'm enjoying the moment. They say you only can live once, so why not? Cheers. Nice.
Baby.
Like, boy, by every beat, just stop me shining minutes and I wonder what's the great one to drive one portion in the end.
That's how you do it in Jamaica.
Yes, Rasta.
We know why
Look at mine. I got all of this pulled out like.
He's got nice hair.
Look at that.
That's why I got the hat.
All the water. This is where we're at, guys. Nice vibes.
We can't stand the sunshine. I'll be still on your waistline. We argue all the time. Girl, you are one of a kind. Your body is so good. Your body is so right. Balance on it. Put up in the come on, boys, about dance on it. Balance on it. Twerk it, twerk it, twerk it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And you want the things the way you want it. Want it, want it.
So we got another one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another one.
Fly by me down. Anyway, them see me, them a give me a smell like that. Me get the scent of my car, but them see me here. One glass is clear. Close clean, car clean, house clean. I put tools. Them a jump in our style. Them a dive like pool. Them a idiot. We all in our nation. Put up a watch. What it? DJ.com. Me see them a try. We a home for the dollar. We a move to the dollar. We not dash when all fin a new line. We not dash when all fin a new line. Man a talk about changes in life. People are the best we are. If you want to know, tell me the price. Man play a way car. Man a play the noise when them a play a way. Yo, Mujib.
Yeah. Wow, this pirate is big. Must be the talking one, eh? You eat salmon. Must be cracking it. So, right there. Sick, yeah? Bless her. Yeah. Guys, so sit with me, car right now. I'm not too good enough. Oh, God.
care about that.
I feel good
Can't
still.
talk in my face.
Alright.
Man, action, but.
I don't even know the lyrics right now. My head is gone.
Hey, so.
I know for them stairs, so. I know for them stairs, so. Right, I'm one piece really, no, really bad too. Right, I'm gonna start. A man, my name, you know. So.
Babe.
Eh?
Put these on.
Put these on. I wonder what these are. It could be someone here. I wonder. Hey guys, check out my new look. Check out my new look, guys. Trying to fit it on. Check out my new look, guys. Jesus. Yeah, this is grandpa. It's a vibe, guys. Yeah, I'm enjoying our time, babe.
Hold on, let me try them on. Let me see what they look like.
Yeah, you try them on.
Now let me see what I look like.
Your thing shot, baby. Your thing shot. Yeah?
Nah, I look
How
like
pity.
the biggest hippie
Jesus.
on earth.
Jesus.
Hippiness.
Big up Tabizzle. Jesus.
For real. They look so nerdy. Babe, they look good on you. Come on.
Hey, put it on for me. Don't drip me in my eyes though. Yeah. Close my eyes, cause. Let me see. Look at that. Look at that. Man swagging right now. You see the vibes. Yeah, man. Oh, my look. Think up, dog. Think up. This is Somerset Falls, guys. You should check it out. Yeah, I tell you, top. Yeah, that's the thing tough. Hey, listen. I'm talking too much now, you know, because you made me drink. You made the Rastaman drink.
Babe, is that bar? We can go to that bar.
Where?
The one we went to the first time.
A bar. So she love the Congo Bongo. Good day, my people, my people.
But they never fall, never stumble. Black woman keep me can be humble. Say she love the Congo Bongo. Cause she know where she at, love she bring me son and daughter. Say she love the Congo Bongo.